Okay, everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. It is Friday, May 8th, 2020, and here is where we stand. We just found out another 20.5 million people lost their jobs here in the United States. We are now officially at Great Depression level unemployment numbers. I think that's horrific. And the stock market is higher. Right now, futures look like a nice gain here at the open, about 1%. No surprise. But, we need to keep our eye on a few things. I mean, right now you got gold getting bid higher. You got silver getting bid higher. The 10-year yield dropped yesterday 7 basis points. We'll see if the market can hold gains. Crude oil is getting bid up. It's kind of an interesting setup. But again, the worse the economic news gets, I mean, you could split the earth down the middle and stocks would probably go up in this environment. That's how twisted this is. Now, yesterday, you want to talk about twisted? It gets even better than that. Yesterday, we found out China trade talks are back on. Oh yeah, they're talking. And all of a sudden, stock futures shot up over 300 points. They're talking. You kidding me? I mean, really. So, they float out the story yesterday. It's not even real. How many times do they expect us to buy the same garbage? Trade talks are going great. Fantastic. Tremendous. Are you kidding me? I can't believe that there's a single person existing on the planet today that would buy the garbage, buy the propaganda, or buy the nonsense. You gotta be brain dead. But this is what they're fist feeding you. I mean, it's a distraction. Look, don't look at Great Depression level unemployment. No, because trade talks are back on. Because phase 1, which never happened, went really well, duh. And now we're gonna maybe move to a phase 2. You gotta be kidding me. You can't make this up, people. It's impossible to do. It's too twisted. All right, so anyway, real quick here. Great Depression level unemployment rate, the real number, the one they're fist feeding you, 17.8, is a joke. Even that's abysmal. Okay, we know we are at Great Depression level unemployment. They can't tell you this. Okay, period, the end. You got cash going into metals. You got the 10-year yield 0.65, slightly higher than the market closed yesterday, but still down. I don't like it. We're going to need to see if the market holds gains. They must prop up crude oil here. But again, what do I want to see? I told you. I think this market needs to burn off a little bit. I think this market needs to consolidate a little bit. Who knows? They're probably going to push it higher by any mechanism they can. I mean, it's crazy. Bitcoin did hit my target. It broke 10,000 yesterday. It did pull back a little bit here. I'll come up with a new target. Let me think about it. Just give me a day or two on that. All right, so pretty much that's the setup here, people. Stocks set for a higher open despite another 20.5 million people losing their jobs. The promise of trade talks are going well again. I just can't take it anymore, really. They think you and I are brain dead. And I can promise you, you and I are not brain dead. But they think we are. It's unbelievable. It really is. Anyway, we will sum this up later, and let's just see where this goes today. Will the market hold on to these gains at the open or not? Depends on where the 10-year yield goes. Let's see what happens with gold and silver. I think I'm probably going to be buying, and I will send this out in my newsletter. So if you subscribe to my newsletter, you will find out today if I'm buying gold and silver derivatives, gold and or silver derivatives today. I will let you know as soon as I make that decision. I will send it out in my newsletter. So if you have not subscribed to my newsletter, either go right here to my website, traderschoice.net, or in the description of this video, there is a link to my lovely newsletter. All right, look, I'm out of here. See you later.